Hey guys, so I'm in Mexico in the Cancun. So I'm gonna do a house tour for you guys because it's so pretty. So let's get started. So basically we're at the main door. So this is our entrance. Alright, so I'm gonna get through. Alright, once when we walk in, we get this full body mirror. It's really nice, it's really big. And then at nighttime, like the lights around come all the way around. So yeah, that's what we have. So if you look over to here, we start with our living room. So we have a nice flat screen TV, a couch, and then we have this little nice dining area right there. We have a little walkway. I'll go through that later. So we have this big dining room. We also have this mini dining room as well, like dining table, I guess. And this is our kitchen area. So we have the sink and then the stove and the oven. We have our fridge. It's really cute. And then this is like our storage room. So we bought like food and everything. So like cereal, croissants, and all that other stuff. All right, so now we'll go outside. All right, so we have this little mini table right here. And then we have a pool. It's so pretty. And we also have these like seats right here. And there's more on this side. And then if you walk through here, it's just like a little hangout spot basically. It's really pretty. It's really giving vibes. All right. So now we're gonna go upstairs and see the bedrooms. That's the fun part. So we're gonna go up these steps. All right. It's really pretty. All right. We'll start with this room first. Let's turn on the light. Or not. All right, so when we walk into this room, we have a nice mirror right here, and there's the sink and everything. Yeah. See that? All right, and then we have the shower right here. It's really pretty. And the toilet. While we go up, now we have the couching area. And when we go up here, we do have like a couch. We have a desk and a computer, I guess. And then this is the bedroom, and it has this big flat screen TV. So I guess that's bedroom 1. So we're going on to bedroom number 2. It's a little dark in here. Okay. So we have this nice bed, nice king size bed. And we go through the bathroom really quickly. So we have like little shelving and everything. This is the mirror. Hey guys. And this is like the shower. It's so nice and big. And then, yeah, it's so pretty. Like, the aesthetic's top notch. Oh, and then, do you remember there's lights here? So, like, it lights up. It's so cute. But, yeah. All right. Now, and like, this obviously lifts up. I'm not gonna lift it up right now. Okay, now we're going up the steps of this bedroom. It is 2-story. So cute. Just like the other one. And this is another king size bed as well. And we have the flat screen. So that's bedroom number 2. Now we're on to my room. This is my room. We have a flat screen right here. It is 2-story as well. see this big mirror, and then you see the little lady right there named Miriam. Miriam, say hi to the vlog. Alright, we're going downstairs. Something cool about us, we can open this up. And it's like a little balcony because like you can step outside from here. You see that? Yeah, you see that. And then we have the view of like the area. It's really cute. So this is the bathroom. This is my bathroom. So yeah, we got like the clothes and everything. We have this nice full body mirror. I don't think none of the other bathrooms have this. And then we have this nice long mirror as well. And our shower is literally, our shower is right here. Yeah. And of course the toilet. Yeah. Well, onto the last bedroom. It's really cute. Flat screen TV, the bathroom's right here. There's a little balcony, but I don't think we can open it. We have some storage space for them. They have these double mirrors, like there's one here and one here, hey guys. And then they have the toilet, and then where's the bathroom? So pretty. Alright guys, so that includes the house tour. See you later. Bye.